What's up everyone, it's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries. For today, we're going to do a reaction video sa inaabangan, one of the most anticipated Philippine adaptation ng K-drama na It's Okay Not to Be Okay, starring Ann Curtis, Carlo Aquino, and Joshua Garcia. Oh my god, this is something really to look forward to this 2025. And I haven't watched It's Okay Not to Be Okay, the Korean version, and I don't know what is the storyline, the plot twist, but I tried to search, guys, before I do the reaction to the teaser video for It's Okay Not to Be Okay Philippine adaptation. So ito daw ay isang about a story of a dedicated psychiatric ward caregiver. And then there's a popular antisocial children's book author. And then nagtagpo silang dalawa, healing each other's deep emotional wounds through their unlikely connection. And also, the lead actor, which is Joshua Garcia, meron siyang older brother, played by Carlo Aquino, na may autism. Or baligtad ata. Hindi ko sure kung sino sa kanila yung gaganap na yon, but it's exploring about mental health. So, di ba, sobrang trending ng mental health sa Philippines ngayon. And for sure, Philippine adaptation, they will put a Filipino twist, a Filipino touch when it comes to Philippine adaptation. Ang isa sa pinakamagandang adaptation was with Jody Santa Maria. Oh my God, ang ganda nun, yung The House of the Married. Kay Dr. Jill, it's so good. So, I think it's the same. Parehas yung production and the director. I'm not really sure, but let's see, guys. But before I proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Oh, si Joshua nga yung yung makakatagpo ni Ann. You've been waiting for this. So, Ann Curtis, siya yung gaganap dun sa children's book author. Ang batang dun. Wait lang, anong title ng book? Parang horror book naman yung ginagawa. Ang ganda ni Ann! I want to be a pretty witch. Let's go back, guys. I want to see the title. Ano yun? Ang batang... My gosh, paulit-ulit, no? Charit. I want to see the title of the book. For sure, it has a storyline. Ang batang dinalaw ni Batibat. Oh my gosh. Ganda ni Ann. Ooh. Si Carlo Aquino nga. They will give you all.
Destiny finds us.
Parang siya, no? Parang thriller yung dating. Magkakainlaban ba dito si Ann and Joshua? Oh my
Destiny
gosh.
finds us.
Ready na ba ang feelings mo? Ganda ni Ann! In fairness, ang ganda ng location, ha?
I've heard that pickup line so many times.
Ay! Oh my God! Ann Curtis acting and Joshua Garcia acting. My God, parang millennial and Gen Z acting together. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh, may animation pala to. Oh, it's okay not to be okay. It's okay to be not okay pala. Oh my God, akala ko it's okay not to be okay. Yung pala, it's okay not to be okay. Oh nga, yun naman talaga. Tama pala ako, guys. Kaya naman, that's a rapid hour reaction for today. Ayun na nga, that's the official teaser. Teaser pa lang to ng It's Okay Not to Be Okay ng ABS-CBN Philippine adaptation nila ng K-drama series. Na super hit to pero hindi kasi ako masyadong nanonood ng K-drama. The House of Married, yun pinanood ko talaga, yun yung kay Dr. Jill. Sobrang ganda. And yung mga luma pa, ng mga panahon natin, mga titos of Philippines, yung mga lumang Korean novela, yung mga Winter Sonata, ganyan, Endless Love, ganyan, diba? Yun yung mga naabutan natin. Pero yung itong mga bagong K-drama, hindi natin masyadong panood. But, interesting yung story. May animation, guys, and also yung acting ni Joshua, ni Ann, and of course Carlo Aquino as autism. yung under the autism spectrum yung character niya. I know that he will give justice because Carlo Aquino is a brilliant actor. So I'm so excited to see these three amazing artists from the Philippines, and as well the whole cast. Di pa natin nakita dito kasi tatlo pa lang sila. And Imogen is here as well. And ang ganda ng mga location, ang ganda ng yung mga pinapakitang lugar kung saan sila nagsushoot. So nakaka-excite to see how they will give a Filipino touch culture pagdating sa adaptation na to. Kaya naman super exciting guys. And alam ko excited din kayo. And of course, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness guys. Bye for now.